How to use a cell phone charger camera. First, you plug it in the wall, and then there'll be a blue and red light that comes on. Then you open the Wi-Fi on your phone, and you look for this little number to show up, which is located right under the QR code. It's a number that starts with CM right there on your phone, CM508. You connect to that, and your phone might come up and say this. Just say connect anyway. Wait till it says connected. There it goes, connected. Now go to the app, P2P live cam, and you see that one says online. So then you click it. It'll ask you to change the password. If you haven't done that, you can just click skip, and there's the camera. It's not set to high res, so you can click up here where it says normal and click it on HD. Right there, HD. You can turn the little LEDs on the cameras off with that button right there. Right there, that'll turn the status LEDs on and off. And to hear the audio, it's the speaker button on this left side, which is being covered by some other message you have coming up here. Right there's the speaker button. To hear the audio, just turn that on. You see the pictures upside down. If you want to flip it, then press this button. You see it flipped it right side up. If you want to mirror image it, you hit this other button. If you want to record some videos on your phone, then you hit the camera button right here. You start it and then stop it. If you want to snap pictures, then snap that little camera button right there. Just snap pictures. Next will be how to play back videos. Alright, when you're looking at the live screen and you want to play back recordings, touch the screen, then hit the back button. Hit it one more time. And then there's the camera live that says online. To play back recordings, you're going to hit the record button. And then you're going to hit this signal strength button on the very top right. And then you're going to select the one that's blue. And then you're going to hit this little drop down box right below the signal strength button and click where it says remote SD card. And there's all the videos that's on the SD card. You can simply click one of them and it'll start playing back. So there's playback.
Each one of these are separate.
Yeah, each one of these were separated by motion because we set your thing to motion, which if you want to adjust that, go back to the camera. Let me go back to the live video screen. And this little gear right next to it, you press that little gear and then go to device settings. That's where you can adjust the motion activation. In fact, this one's turned off. I'm going to put that on normal. On-screen display. Do you want it to send you an on-screen display?
What do you mean?
I usually leave that off.
Okay.
That way it doesn't light up your... Because when you go play it back, you know when you're going to do it.
Yeah.
Hit OK. And then make sure the SD card is set to override automatically. I'm going to put it on alarm, so it only records when it senses an alarm. I'm going to change it to 1 minute, so when it gets motion, it'll make a video for 1 minute. If it continues to get motion, that video will continue as well. And hit OK. So now it's set for motion activation recording. So if you prefer to play back the micro SD card on a computer, you're going to unplug the device from the wall, go to where the SD slot is, and then press. It's on a little spring. You see when I pressed it, it came out a little more. That's in, that's out. And then grab it and stick it in the micro SD card reader, and it'll only go in one way. If it feels like it's not getting in perfect, that looks like the right way, yeah. And then you plug that into the USB jack of your computer. A window will automatically come up, and you double click it and start playing the videos.